All right, so this video is for all the recruiters out there that hustle every day, that take their job serious, that take pride in what they do. This is for you. So this weekend, I received an email from a contractor that I placed at a client of mine last year. And I'm just going to go ahead and show you and share this with you because I feel like, let me minimize my face here. I feel as if so many of us recruiters are not appreciated, okay? If you're watching this video and you're a recruiter, then you know what I'm talking about. Maybe you sent a marketing email out and it went to a hiring manager instead of a candidate. And that hiring manager writes back how stupid you are and, you know, you should check what you do before you do things, or I don't need a recruiter. We're doing just fine. We can find people on our own. You know, all the stuff, all the negativity that we hear from either hiring managers, companies, or candidates who really don't appreciate a darn thing that we do until they really need us. This is for you guys, okay? Because we are important. And I guarantee you, all you hiring managers out there and stakeholders that think you know how to recruit, think you can do your job better than us, I got news for you. You can't. You have no idea what we do on a daily basis. You have no idea the amount of hours that we put in, the struggles that we go through, the amount of websites and discovery and networking that we have to do to find the best candidate for your company. Now, I'm not saying that all recruiters are built equally. I get that. There's some bad eggs like in any industry, even in your industry. But I will tell you, there's a lot of good people out there and good recruiters that take their job serious, take pride in it, and they work hard. So here's an email that I received from a contractor over the weekend. And his name's Michael Lilly. I'll be very transparent with you. He worked at a client of mine called Pike Enterprises. And basically what he's saying here is when he got in touch with us, we relocated him to North Carolina. And he says right here, once I arrived in North Carolina, it was a little strange. After all, I knew no one, but you guys made me feel like it was worth traveling there. All right. He had to leave his job at Exxon where he was making some money there. This was a whole life change for him and his family. And then what happened with Mike is during the Christmas break of, I believe, actually 2019, he was laid off from our client. They had no more work for him at Pike. He says here, when I left North Carolina in December to go on Christmas break, I never heard back from Pike. And so we placed Mike at another client of ours right away. We moved swiftly. We did all we could to help him and his family. And he says right here, so I want you to know, thank you for changing my life and giving me a chance to take the opportunity to work with you guys. I've always told myself, never give up and work hard no matter where you go, never fail. And so basically, you know, I don't look for these emails. I never brag about these, but it was really nice to see it. And this goes out to all the recruiters out there that are doing the same thing that I'm doing. You know, and I wrote back to Mike, let's see, it means the world to me. I'm so happy you and your family are adjusted and thriving. God bless you, Mike. And that's the truth. So let me open back up here. Just want to share that real quick. All you recruiters out there, or you know, people that are doing sales and staffing, if you get some good feedback from your clients or your candidates, boast about it, all right? Because we're all in this together. Thanks, guys. Have a blessed day.